Good morning, everyone. It's breakfast time in the Indo Chef house, and today I'm making 3 weird sandwiches for you. So we're doing crispy egg sandwich, a pork floss sandwich, a peanut butter and hazelnut chocolate spread sandwich. I recently got 33,000 plus views on my crispy egg YouTube short, and a bunch of people asked me about if I could make that as a full-length video. These people right over here and right over here, they requested the sandwich. Here it is for you. Let's start by feeling outdoorsy. Toast that bread over an open flame. You can also just use a toaster if you want. Set that bread aside and warm up a pan on medium heat. Add a little bit of oil or butter, swirl that around, and then crack 2 eggs directly into the pan. Let the eggs sit there in the pan and cook for about a minute or 2. Before you flip it, it should release naturally and slide around the pan. The edges should look brown and the whites should look firm. Flip and cook for another 30 seconds. The toppings are the secret sauce for this. First up is Kewpie mayo. Cover the bread and then lay down that egg and then top that with even more mayo. Follow that with a very generous drizzle of ABC sweet soy sauce and cracked black pepper to taste. The final ingredient is sprinkles called SETO FUMI FURIRAKE. So there you have it, the ultimate crispy egg sandwich. It's an umami bomb, an explosion in your mouth, and maybe your arteries, but that's okay. Sandwich number 2 is a favorite for my kids. Start with 1 slice of white bread and your favorite peanut butter of choice. Spread that evenly all the way to the corners of the crust on the bread. Get it all over the place because this is also your glue. You can find pork floss at most Asian grocery stores. Many Indos call it monkey hair, but I think that's gross. This is the crispy type with sesame seeds and dried seaweed. Be generous and sprinkle this all over the peanut butter. Don't worry about using too much. What makes this sandwich great is a contrast between the crispy pork floss and the sweet smooth peanut butter. Who doesn't like peanut butter and chocolate? So we're using the Kraft hazelnut spread. Most people use Nutella. Nutella uses palm oil, which is very bad for the environment. A lot of people don't like it. It kills orangutan habitats. It's a whole big thing. Look it up on the Google. The Kraft one does not. It's a little less greasy than Nutella. I think it's great. Not going back. So you probably made this when you were a kid. You get your peanut butter, you get your chocolate spread, and it's just like Reese's peanut butter cup, but bread. How is this even a video? I don't know. Just make it. So please check out my YouTube shorts. It's a new thing where they're trying to copy TikTok. If you want more easy, thrifty ways to make breakfast, I'm gonna make some more videos like this. We're just simple things. Not everything has to be fancy. Keep it easy. Keep those kids fed. And we'll see you in the next video.